Alright, we got Prismatic Evolutions today. And I'm just gonna spoil the video right now. We're not gonna pull nothing. Because this set is also called Traumatic Evolutions, because the hit rates in this set are ass. But I so wanna get proven wrong. So let's see. Alright, pack one. I got that. Cottony, Professor's Research, Litleo, Briar, right? Bronzong, Ogie Dogie, okay. Spritzy, alright, and just a Hollow Espeon. That's it. Dang, alright. Set 2. Pack 2. How are these still so hard to open, man? Alright. Badoo, right, Pupitar, Eevee, Crispin, Screamtail, the Trumpet, Reverse Research, alright, Reverse Duskull, and Umbreon. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright. We got the duo then, but yeah, didn't pull nothing. Damn.